So it's finally happened. I have been invited into the YouTube Partner Program. So what does that even mean? This is what I'm going to be going over in today's video. I'm going to be talking about the YouTube Partner Program and how you can actually use it to make more money or monetize your channel or to make additional streams of income. So if you've been following any of my content for a while now, I have been building this channel over the last 18 months. It's still a junior channel, but in this video, I'm going to be diving into my YouTube studio and talking exactly what it means to be monetized, what it means to be a YouTube partner, because there's a few stages that you have to apply to actually go through and get registered. So for me to walk you through this, I'm just going to dive straight on over into my YouTube studio. So here I am in the back end of my studio, and all you need to do is go down to Earn, and then you're going to be seeing a couple of things here. If you are new to this Earn platform, you're going to want to apply. Now, there's a couple of levels with the YouTube Partner Program. In my experience, there's two main levels. So the first one, when you reach 500 subscribers on your channel and you actually have 3,000 public watch hours, you can actually apply for the first level and to become a YouTube partner. The second level, ongoing, is actually when you hit 1,000 subscribers and then when you hit 4,000 public watch hours. Now, these are all the watch hours that are in the previous 365 days. So that's the currency, but then the cumulative is your actual subscriber eligibility. So I have applied, I have met the first criteria, and I've actually got a few additional functionalities within my YouTube account. So there's an overview in here now. I have been accepted. There was a few back and forths. I had to open up an AdSense account. They had to register me and they had to actually see if I was a limited company, if I was who I say I was, and they would actually have a manual check over your entire channel before they accept you into the Partners Program. So what does that actually mean? So it gives me an overview now. I can see exactly what this means for my channel. I've got three additional settings here: memberships, supers, and shopping. So memberships basically means that you can have another functionality within your YouTube channel for your audience to actually pay you to see some either behind the scenes content or not typically published content. You can actually start this. I haven't switched this on because I want to be selling a membership off the back end of my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is just an audience growth tool for me and my business. I don't want to then put a membership front end, but you can do this if this is one of the strategies that you see is a good fit for you and your online business, and you simply have to just click get started. The next one down here is supers. So if you want to allow some of your audience to actually pay to actually have a super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, it just bumps up their level of engagement in your community. So that's another level of generating a small amount of revenue. And then we have shopping. So this is something I'm interested about. You can actually link up if you have a physical store, either on Shopify or Spreadshop or even Spring. You can actually click get started and then connect a store. These are all the stores that they actually, you can connect other stores. These are the ones that they identify. And you just go and connect the Spring store. So this, if you had some kind of merch, if you had some t-shirts, some mugs, some cups, if you had your own line of physical products, this would be a great fit for you. And not only can you talk about them in your videos, you can actually link up to certain products in your videos and in any of your description. So have a think if this is something that will benefit you and your brand. If you already have a line of products, I see adding up a shop or a store would be quite advantageous for your business model. So going back to the overview then, the next level or the next tier is what I'm interested in. It's the future milestones. So this is what everyone bangs on about is YouTube ad revenue. This is what you have to hit. So 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to hit over 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days. Or you can either achieve this within shorts as well. But my YouTube channel, I'm focusing on long form video content, and I'm focusing it on a lead generation tool. So all of my videos link actually back to my website and then offer someone to go deeper with me by exchanging their email for a free resource. But I will absolutely be sure to check back in once I have crossed over this 1,000 subscribers threshold. And if Social Blade has any accuracy about it, I'm due to do this in the next couple of months. So then I will be able to actually get some ad revenue in for my public watch hours. But from my understanding, this ad revenue is not going to be anything to write home about, but it is just another stream of income. So my whole strategy about building an online business is building multiple streams of income, and I'm really excited to add this one to my arsenal. So that's it, super short video today, just reporting back on what actually is the partner program, the YouTube partner program, what you have to do to achieve your first milestone and your second milestone, how to actually apply and actually get registered with YouTube, and some of the different ways of earning on your channel. But as you can tell, I'm not using YouTube as my complete business model. I'm using YouTube to actually grow an audience and then build a business off the back of YouTube. But if you want to see my entire business model, you can head to timpeakman.com/workshop, where I've put together a workshop on how I create this entire business model to try and help you get your first $1,000 of online revenue. So head to timpeakman.com/workshop. It's free, it's on demand. You can actually get access today and take action. And I'd love to know if you're part of the YouTube partner program already. Drop a comment, tell me if you are or aren't, or if it's something that you aspire to be in the future. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.